These incredible beauties are known as variegated delicious monsters. Now, as you should know, these guys are highly sought after, and that's because it's incredibly rare for a delicious monster to produce variegation. It relies on a mutation that starts to produce white spots on the leaves. The chances of the variegation happening is 1 in 100,000, so for every 100,000 monsteras, at least one of them will produce natural variegation. When it comes to caring for these guys, I do recommend giving it bright, indirect light, and this is going to make sure that your variegation is more consistent. What can happen with these, if the light is not bright enough or the plant is stressing, it can revert back to a normal green delicious monster. When it comes to watering, I would let this guy dry out 50 to 70% before giving it a good soaking. It does also like a bit of humidity. That's just going to make sure that your plant is ultimately as healthy as it can be. It is quite something having such a rare beauty in your home, so I do recommend adding one of these to your plant collection.